In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for beginners with a complete walkthrough. Let's start by navigating to ClickUp. Head over to their official website, clickup.com, which is essentially your go-to app for all things work related. Once you're there, you'll notice two options. You can either log in if you already have an account, or you can sign up to create a new one if you're a new user. If you do have an existing account, just go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your credentials, and that's it. You're in. Now, once you're logged into ClickUp, understanding its hierarchy is crucial. Think of it as an organizational map. You start with a workspace, then move on to spaces. Within those, you can create folders, lists, tasks, and finally, subtasks. This hierarchy gives you a structured approach to manage your projects and tasks effectively. Let's create a space, which is your primary workspace environment. Look to the left sidebar. You'll see a plus icon next to spaces. Click on it. Give your new space a meaningful name, something that encapsulates its purpose or project. Next, pick a color and an icon for your space. This helps in visually distinguishing it from others. Once you've personalized it, click Continue and then Create Space. Now you have your very own space to organize your projects. Now that your space is ready, it's time to add some structure. Click on the plus icon again and navigate to add folders and lists. Click on folder to enter a name and description that fits your project's needs and then hit create. This gives your space additional layers to further organize related projects or tasks. Now it's time to dive deeper and create tasks and subtasks within these lists. Look at your list. Open it up and you'll have the option to enter task names. Assign each task to team members or yourself by clicking on the Assign option, set due dates to keep a timeline, and assign priorities to manage the urgency of tasks efficiently. Adding subtasks is straightforward. Within a task, scroll down, click on the Add Subtask button, enter the subtask name, and press Enter. This adds even more granularity to your project management. Once your tasks are set, click on Add Task. Now, to view it all, you can select how you want to organize and visualize these tasks. Click on View and choose from List View, which is the default, Board View for a more workflow-based approach, Calendar View for a date-oriented layout, or even the Timeline Gantt view. Finally, when you dive into a task, you have the power to organize them by status, priority, and even tags. Modify the status to something like in progress to update team members about current tasks. Add or select relevant tags for easy sorting in the future. Whenever you need to exit, simply press ESC to close the window. And there you have it, a foundational guide to mastering ClickUp from scratch. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to manage your projects seamlessly.